Hi everyone, Jack here with your spring market update. It's been an encouraging start to the year for buyer activity, with some looking to move before the reduced stamp duty deadline in March. The momentum in sales activities continued despite mortgage rates remaining relatively high, with moderate price growth expected, particularly in areas of room for growth. Spring is the season of new beginnings, bringing fresh blooms, longer days and a renewed sense of energy that extends to the property market. The lighter, brighter days enhance a home's kerb appeal, and finding a property in spring means you'll likely be settled by the summer. Over the last 3 years, 27% of sales occurred in the spring, the highest of any of the seasons. February and March are typically the best 2 months to list a home for sale. 2/3 of homes listed for sale in February and March since 2012 have gone on to complete a sale, the most out of any month. Historically, February and January have also had the fastest average time to find a buyer at 51 days, with March and April following closely at 52 days. In the year so far, the number of potential buyers contacting agents about homes for sale is 8% higher than last year, while the number of sales being agreed is 15% higher. Bank of England has cut interest rates from 4.75% to 4.5%, the lowest base rate cut since June 2023. The decision comes as inflation slows to 2.5% in the 12 months to December 2024, and the economy shows signs of stagnation. Interest rates are forecast to drop to 3.75% by the end of the year. While most of this is already priced into fixed mortgages, we could see some further reductions. However, we will not see the ultra-low rates of recent years. Since the beginning of the year, the average 2-year fixed rate has risen from 5.47% to 5.52%. Meanwhile, the average 5-year fixed rate has climbed from 5.24% to 5.33%. The number of homes for sale per estate agents is at a 10-year high for this time of year, giving buyers more choice and boosting the number of inquiries and sales. In the southwest, the prime market of Bristol is currently the best performing. There is an increased appetite among consumers to move home in the next 2 years, which bodes well for market activity throughout the year. Around 22% of renters and just under a fifth of homeowners plan to move within this period, while a quarter have no immediate plans but are keeping a close watch on the market in case their circumstances change. Despite steady sales activity, price growth will be kept in check over 2025 with a modest 3.1% rise forecast. This is due part to mortgage rates stabilising in the 4 to 5% range and buyers having plenty of homes to choose from. However, the current north-south divide in house price growth is expected to continue in the year ahead. In the southwest, annual house price growth is gaining momentum. According to the Nationwide, in Q4 2024, annual growth was at 1.8%, an improvement from 0.9% in the previous quarter.